Today in Stu's garage we're going to be installing a grill delete, and I got this one from AmericanMuscle.com, and pretty much what this does is it eliminates the emblem, the Ford emblem, from the front of the Foxbody Mustang, and they do sell these for the newer Mustangs. This thing says professional installation only, and I guess today I'm a professional, so we're gonna go ahead and do some cutting and get this thing in here. So they don't really send you great instructions when they give you these things, so I'm pretty much just going off of eyeball here, and I think what I'm gonna do is just start cutting here where the grill bar starts and try to keep it as close to the flat portion as possible. Follow that all the way around. I'll probably have to actually cut this in half to remove material so I can actually see what's going on down here below, and just get all of that cut out. Once that's done, I'll probably also cut out this support piece that we have here and these other supports, and make a nice clear passage through. So let's go ahead and give this thing a shot. Alright, whatever that stuff is made of, it's really terrible to breathe when you cut it. So you definitely want to be in an open space whenever you're cutting whatever that material is. Yeah, cutting this stuff is no joke. This is the most gear I've ever had to wear working on a car, but anyways, just got a few more cuts to go, and we'll get this piece out of here. Alright, that was definitely a little bit more cutting than what I expected, but we've got it cleaned up pretty well. And the next thing to do, you saw me test fit it a little bit, but the next thing to do is to go ahead and mount that insert into place. And a lot of people just leave it like that, leave that open area there, but I actually have some material that I'm going to try and use out and fit in there. But I have this mesh, some extra mesh, and I'm actually going to try and make myself a mesh grill to put in there. Alright, so now I got the new grill all cut out, and this is ready to go in place, just like so. It's actually going to be a really cool fit once everything's in. grill in, which should be fine, held in by 2 screws up top here, and also by this double-sided tape. And that's about it, folks. So now, with the hood closed, the grill delete is in. Got a nice honeycomb grill sitting there. It's looking pretty good. So at this point, I do also want to run an emblem. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a horse logo or the 3 Stripes Mustang logo. I'm not quite sure yet. I just have to see what I can find, but this is pretty much how it looks at this point, and I'm very happy with it. So that's our quick video for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys next time.